If you've seen the Gmail error saying, "Oops, something went wrong, recent changes may not have been saved," don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest way to troubleshoot it step by step. This error is often caused by a temporary Gmail outage, a browser issue, or even a bad extension interfering with how Gmail loads. The good news is that in many cases, you can fix it in just a few minutes without losing your email data. If this video helps, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, before changing anything on your computer, check whether Gmail itself is having a problem. Open your browser and search for Google Workspace Status Dashboard. This page shows live service updates for Gmail and other Google tools. If Gmail or Google Drive is experiencing an outage, that can trigger this exact error message. If the dashboard shows a service problem, the best move is to wait until Google fixes it, because no browser troubleshooting will fully solve an outage on their side. If the status page looks normal, the next step is to open Gmail in another browser. For example, if you normally use Chrome, try Edge or Firefox. If you're already in Edge, try Chrome or Firefox instead. This helps you figure out whether the issue is tied to your main browser or to Gmail itself. If Gmail works properly in another browser, that's a strong sign the problem is local to your original browser. Now try Gmail in Incognito or private mode. In Chrome, you can open an Incognito window. In Edge or Firefox, open a private browsing window. Then sign into Gmail and see whether the error still appears. This is one of the most useful tests because incognito mode usually disables most extensions and uses a cleaner session. If Gmail works there, the cause is often a browser extension, a corrupted cache, or a saved browser setting interfering with Gmail. If Gmail works in incognito, the next thing to do is disable your browser extensions. In your browser, click the three-dot menu, go to Extensions, and then open Manage Extensions. Look especially for ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, and extensions related to mail or productivity. Turn them off one by one, then reload Gmail and check whether the error disappears. Sometimes just one extension is enough to break Gmail's save function, so this step is very important. If you want to narrow it down faster, start by disabling the most suspicious extensions first, especially any ad blocker or anything that modifies web page content. After turning them off, refresh Gmail and test again. If the error goes away, you found the cause. From there, you can leave that extension off while using Gmail or replace it with a different one that's more compatible. If none of that works, you can also clear your browser cache and cookies for Gmail, because corrupted browser data can sometimes cause weird saving errors. After clearing the data, sign back into Gmail and test it again. In many cases, this gives you a clean start and resolves the problem immediately. So to recap, the fastest way to fix this Gmail error is check Google Workspace Status Dashboard first, try Gmail in another browser, test incognito or private mode, and then disable extensions if Gmail works there. Those steps solve the issue for a lot of users without needing anything complicated. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful fixes, tips, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.